Guys, today we're gonna be showing y'all how to make edible slime out of fruit nuts. So let's get to the video and make sure y'all give my likes up and my subscribers and my views because I'm gonna do some shout outs and follow backs and stuff. So let's get to the video. So we're gonna take our fruit nuts and open them. Wait. I'm gonna make this a pretty color. I don't want ugly color. So these are all the colors we got in here. Wait. These are the colors we got in here. And I'm gonna make mine red, like this color. I'm gonna put like this many in there. And then what you wanna do is you gotta squish it together for just like a minute or a ball. And it's edible too, that's a good thing. So you can sneak it to class or anything. And don't mind my hair because I just woke up. Yeah. So this is how the ball will look after a little while. Then that's how it will look. Then you can see stretch it and stuff, but it's not done yet. You so quiet, Christian. Quiet.
Hey.
You don't be quiet all the time. So you have to yell it or some stuff.
I won't be quiet all the time.
Jalay, she the quietest.
Oh,
She's shy. She is
pay to be quiet.
paying bad. So
I want to be quiet.
Chloe bad. Chloe stick up the middle finger and she only 2. No.
My mama, I like my mama quiet.
My mama is grown. Stupid. Mama is grown. So yeah.
Oh, quiet. You quiet too.
No. And good eat it.
Cause you are
So
quiet.
that was all for the video. Hope y'all liked and subscribed to this channel. And shout out to Malaya, cause she been doing shout outs. So thanks for watching this video. Hope y'all like and subscribe. Bye.